In this video, we will learn how to install the current VirtualBox version on Windows 11. Let us start. On Google, type Oracle VirtualBox and press enter. On hitting enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website virtualbox.org. Directly click the download button. Here different versions of VirtualBox is visible based on your operating system. We want for Windows, so I'll directly click Windows host. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The installation started. Click next. End user license agreement is visible. Click I accept, and after that click next. Under the custom setup, you can see the installation will install the following. Not a problem. The installation location of VirtualBox will be under program files. Click next. Click yes. Click yes. Now a custom setup will add a start menu as well as a desktop shortcut. Okay. Click next. Click install. Now VirtualBox will get installed. We have installed Oracle. The desktop shortcut is also visible. When I'll click finish, it will start Oracle VirtualBox. Okay. Click finish. Here VirtualBox is visible. To add a new operating system, click new. Okay. Now if you want to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox, refer to the link in the description of the video. With that, we have also added a link for a quick VirtualBox tutorial. Thank you for watching.